What is up, guys? Alex here, and this is probably gonna be like a short video, but I just, never tried these before. Let me grab them because I tried opening them. These are Warheads, Jellybeans. Alright, here's the flavors: orange, watermelon, lemon, raspberry, cherry, green apple. We're just gonna try different ones. I want to do something like a challenge, and then if you don't like, you do all that kind of stuff. But leave a challenge down in the comments below. What challenges you want me to do? And they're the extreme sour ones, so these are probably gonna be sour. But I'm just gonna taste them one, and then we'll just go on to the next one until they're all done. So yep, just gonna pick one out. All right, so it's like a red and pink. It's kind of a sour taste at first. That one was cherry. Let's grab another one. I know this is orange because the orange color on it.
I texted Mommy.
Okay, hold on.
What are you doing?
That was definitely orange. So we got cherry and orange down. So we need watermelon, lemon, blue raspberry, and green apple. Let's mix it up. This one's pink, so it's gotta be the watermelon. Yeah, it is watermelon. Sometimes you can tell just by the colors. No, another orange. I can't do it. I know. Alright, I can tell this one's a lemon because this one's probably gonna be really sour. Oh God. You know, that really hits it right there. That's why when you eat Warheads, you better beware because lemon ones are really sour. So now all we need is green apple and blue raspberry. Alright, blue raspberry. And my mouth is still tingling because of the lemon. God, that's just nasty. Alright. Now we gotta do green apple. It's got kind of a sweet to it instead of sour. So yeah. So that's the testing Warheads, Jellybeans. I should have done it on Easter, but couldn't get any. But leave down in the comments what challenges you want to do. I will save this bag, and then if if we do a challenge thing and I got something wrong or I can't do it, then we'll just grab one and taste one. Send me some jelly. Try to find some comments down below where you can get the jelly beans. One of them is good, and then the other one is bad, but they're the same colors. But yeah, that's what's gonna do for me. I know it's probably like a short video, but I will see you later, and I'm probably gonna steal this from PvP like I run the camera. Bye.